Stop scrolling. You want to start watching Netflix, and I'm going to show you how to create your own official Netflix account completely for free right now. Creating the basic account is the essential first step. And I'm Protech Genius guiding you through the simple setup process on your mobile or desktop. Let's get started. As the first step, open your browser. Either let it be Safari or Chrome or any other. And navigate to netflix.com/signup. By default, if you just search for Netflix, you would get to this page. Do not enter your password here and get started. Just open a new tab and search for Netflix sign up. Click on the first link. Here you would be directly prompted to choose your plan instead of entering your email address. Here choose the plan which you like. I'm going to choose the most costliest plan, which is going to be the premium 4K plus HDR. Once you chosen your plan, you would need two important things to create a Netflix account. One is going to be your email address and two, your password. Just enter your email address and set up a valid, strong password. Now once you enter your password and email address, you would get to this page. Great, now let's verify your email. You can skip this step. Now, this is the final and the trickiest part. Netflix asking you to input your payment details. This is the stage where you secure your subscription, whether that's a paid plan, a promotional free trial, or an ad-supported free trial, depending on your region. Now, you got to note that if you successfully reach to this step, your basic account is already created. But what about securing the free trial, avoiding fees, or making sure the subscription is fully activated? That's where the trick comes in. In order to demonstrate the trick, it is going to take a lot of time. So what I've done is I have separated into separate videos. Now, as you can see, this is my Netflix account, which I personally use. I secured this Netflix account using the trips. Now for the trick, I made separate videos, I told you, right? Those videos links will be available in the description and the first comment. And if you stay till the end of this video, you would also be able to check out the videos in the end screen. So what are you waiting for? Just go check out my guides on how to activate Netflix account subscription right now. If this video helped you, just click on that like button, subscribe to Protech Genius, and check out the next steps on your screen now. Remember, there are two tricks, so that's why there are two videos.